Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made these nice good gingerbread cookies. Very delicious, easy to follow along. Just follow along with me and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, we're going to put in 10 tablespoons of butter. Okay, put that aside. And then we're going to put in 3 to 4 cups of brown sugar. And we're going to add in our molasses, about 2 to 3 cups. I'll put the measurements and everything in the description below, so don't worry about that. Okay, and we're going to put in our egg, 1 egg, and a vanilla extract, and we're going to whisk this together. We're going to add in 3 cups and a half of all-purpose flour. And this prevents you having to put anything else in here. Well, besides that. And okay, the next thing we're going to add in when we add the flour is we're going to add in some tablespoon of ginger, ground ginger, and we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Actually, those are backwards. That was ginger. We'll get the rest all this in. Make sure it'll stick on the bottom. Okay. Okay, that's pretty much it. Make sure you get all in there. And then we want a ½ teaspoon of clover. And then we're going to mix all this well together. Okay, next thing I want to do is I want to take this, it's supposed to be dry like this, and I'm going to put it onto the paper. Like that. And what we want to do is we just want to kind of... Another thing you can do is you can place the parchment paper on top of it, and you can also do it that way and roll it out and make it a lot easier on you. That way it don't stick to your thing you're using to roll it with. Now, right when we get to this part, we're going to take our little cookie cutter, gingerbread man, and we're just going to make little gingerbread shapes. Very easy, like. Just like that. Okay, after you get that done, I'm just going to take this big knife because I can get under it. You want to be very careful when you're lifting these up. If you don't be careful enough, they can and will fall apart on you. See how that edge is? But that's okay. If you can, it's better to actually use a spatula than a knife like this. And I think I'll switch to a spatula in a minute, but this time around I'll just be super careful and get these up. Okay, we're gonna put this into the oven for about on 350 Fahrenheit for about roughly 7 minutes until they're done. We'll come back, take a look at them. Okay, now we're done with this. Take a look at that. Look at that nice, good gingerbread man. Look, very delicious. We'll come back in a minute. Just wanted to show you this up close if I could. You can always put little faces or anything on it, but I didn't want to go through all that right now. But I just wanted to make you the basic cookie, delicious. Anyway, I'll take a look at them gingerbread cookies. Watch this after I take a bite. These are very, very delicious. Looking at them close. I give it got good, like a good snap to it. Anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a great day.